Hey there, food lovers! Welcome back to Upgrade My Kitchen. Today, I've got a kitchen must-have that's going to change the way you cook forever. The Chefman TurboFry Touch Air Fryer XL 8-quart family size. Whether you're cooking for a family or just love making crispy, delicious meals without the guilt, this air fryer is your new best friend. Stick around to hear why it's worth every penny and see how it can revolutionize your kitchen. Let's dive in. We all love crispy golden fries and juicy fried chicken, but the extra oil is a killer. The Chefman TurboFry lets you indulge in all your favorites with 98% less oil. Yep, you heard that right. It uses advanced air circulation technology to make your food crispy on the outside and tender on the inside. Perfect for fries, chicken wings, roasted veggies, and even reheating pizza. Imagine enjoying crispy goodness without that greasy guilt. It's a win-win for your taste buds and your waistline. What makes this air fryer a total game changer is the one-touch digital presets. It comes pre-programmed with settings for French fries, chicken, meat, and fish. Just tap the screen and you're good to go. No more guesswork. The Chefman takes care of the temperature and cooking time for you. Plus, the LED shake reminder is genius. It reminds you to shake your food halfway through cooking, ensuring even crisping every time. Say goodbye to soggy fries. Temperature control is key for any good cook, and this air fryer doesn't disappoint. It offers a wide range from 200 degrees PSRX to 400 degrees. So whether you want a gentle crisp or a serious crunch, you've got complete control. Got a hungry family? No problem. With its 8-quart capacity, this air fryer can handle dinner for 4 to 6 people in one go. Cook up a batch of wings, a tray of fries, or even an entire chicken. Perfect for meal prep or those busy weeknights when time is tight. And speaking of time, the TurboFry lives up to its name. It cooks faster than a conventional oven, saving you precious minutes in the kitchen. We all know cleaning up is the worst part of cooking, but not with the Chefman TurboFry. The non-stick basket and tray are dishwasher-safe, making cleanup a breeze. And the sleek exterior wipes down easily. No more scrubbing and soaking. Safety first, always. The air fryer has automatic shutoff technology that stops heating once your food is ready. Plus, if you open the fryer during cooking, it automatically pauses and resumes when you close it. It's smart, safe, and stress-free. Now, I've personally tried this air fryer for everything from crispy fries to perfectly cooked salmon. And let me tell you, it delivers every time. And don't just take my word for it. The reviews speak for themselves. People are raving about how easy it is to use and how delicious the results are. Now here's an important tip. Make sure you get the authentic Chefman TurboFry Touch XL. I've included the official product link in the description below. Don't settle for knockoffs when you can get the real deal with full features and warranty. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss more awesome product reviews. Got questions or want me to test out specific recipes in the TurboFry? Drop a comment below. See you next time, and happy air frying!